The navigation bar, which is located along the bottom edge of the canvas, contains the commands used to navigate your design. These tools include Free Orbit, which dynamically rotates the view around the screen axes or center based on cursor input, Look At, which positions a selected planar face parallel to the screen, Pan, which moves the canvas in any direction planar to the screen, Zoom, which dynamically zooms in and out on the canvas, and Zoom Window, which zooms in to show just the area of interest based on cursor input. Notice that additional navigation tools like Constrained Orbit and Fit can be found by clicking the arrows below the current tools. Next to the navigation tools are the display settings, grid and snaps, and viewports. The display settings let you specify the visual style, such as shaded or wireframe, the mesh display, the environment, which sets the color for the canvas, the effects, like ground shadow or ground reflection, the object visibility, and the camera settings. The grid and snap settings let you display or hide the layout grid, adjust snap and grid settings, enable or disable incremental movement, and set increments. And viewports, which allow you to display either a single view or multiple views of your design on the canvas.